pizza. I'll do what I want. I got a little bit of an affair with pizza, that's for sure. Besides fire, pizza's my number 2. So if I'm gonna make one for myself, I'm kind of a traditionalist, I gotta be honest with you, but I like to switch it up a little bit. I'm gonna do a pepperoni, mushroom, and burrata pizza with a little arugula. We're just gonna take our dough. We use a Capoto dough. Capoto is a double aught flour, specifically for our pizzas. Not just ours, but those who know how to do a right pizza, they use the right dough, they use the right flour. Our sauce, San Marzano tomatoes, and I won't tell you the rest because figure it out on your own. Burrata cheese. And there's some mushrooms. These are fire roasted portobello mushrooms we do in-house here at Firestones. Yeah, got a nice sliced pepperoni. Like I said, traditional. What the hell? Let's put a little more on there, right? It's my pizza. I'll do what I want. I'm gonna load that right in the old Marra Forni. As we love him, we call this big son of a bitch Vader. Yeah, Vader. Give it a few turns once the dough's set. 4 turns on the pie. Once that bottom sets up, and then we give it a little turn. I'm a truffle freak, so I can put truffle oil on it too. I need Barstool to come out and take a look. No flop, Dave, no flop. Undercarriage, I don't mean to steal your shit, but it's pretty good.